Mm-mm. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to this Excel Challenge Live. You're welcome. So today I've got something interesting for you today. We are going to test your Excel brain. You will guess formulas, spot mistakes, and try to beat me at a few challenge. So let's go. Even if you are watching this replay, grab your Excel sheet, play along because by the end of this live, you will be in Excel. So let's go there. If you are live, you can comment, you can drop message in the comment section. Just say hi, like this video. I am Hilda, just as you know, I'm Hilda Queen. I teach Excel in simple way, fun. Then today's class is not about class. Today is not like about class or teaching. It's just like a challenge. Let's see who can guess the right answer. The fastest person to guess the right answer. That is what we want to do today. So let's go there. As you can see on the screen, this is the first question that we have. This is the first thing we are going to be working on. If you are live, if you are here, just type hello. You can type hi in the comment section. Then click on the like button, like. You can like so that we can continue. As you can see, look at challenge one. The first challenge we are going to be doing is total sales. This is the name of the um, people, the sales people. This is the amount they sold, let's say for the week. Then now we want to get the total sales that they did for that week, the total sales that was done for that week. So how, just as I said, this is just like what a challenge that we are going to be working on. It's just like a challenge. So drop on the comment section. Let's see. You can drop on the comment section. Let me type the task here for people that are just joining so that they can see it. People that are just joining so that they can see it. Let me drop it on the comment section. Task. You can see the screen. If you can see the screen, just let me know. Task. Your task is to what? Which formula? Which formula? Which formula gives total sales? You can see the screen. You can let me know the formula that you think that gives total sales. You can let me know in the comment section. Which formula do you think that gives the total sales? Let me know in the comment section. You can drop your answer in the comment section. Type hi if you are live. And type hi. Type hi. You can let me know. Is anyone here? Hope you can see my screen very well. Okay, so let's go. Let's work it. So check if you got the answer. Nobody replied. So let me do it here. The answer is sum. The answer is what? Is sum, which is B. B is the correct answer. Sorry, my network is a bit bad. You use sum to calculate for it. So look at it here. Okay, this ought to be B3. So equal to, look at it here. This is the correct answer, which is B, equal to sum, open bracket, here down to this place. You point it here, then you drag down, enter. So this is what the total sales that was done for the week. This is the amount. As you can see, I said the answer is what? Is sum. You don't use average. Average is if we want to check what? The average of what they sold for that day. Then count is we want to count how many people, like we want to count how many sales was done, was inputted, or how many people did the sales. That is when we can use what? The count. But for this one, we use what? We use the what? We use the sum to calculate the total that was done. So that is it. If you have any question concerning this, you can drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Any question, drop it in the comment section. Okay, I have one person. Hi, Chichi. Chichi, you are welcome to today's live. You're welcome. Today is Excel Challenge Live. We want to see what you have learned so far on Excel. So that is what we are doing. Let's go back to Excel. So the next one we are going to be looking at, let's go to the next sheet. So this is the next sheet. The challenge here is what? Find the error. This is it here. Challenge 1, we have done for challenge 1. Challenge 2 is what? Find the error. You can see the way it is. Look at the total we calculated. You saw we have the products, we have the quantity, we have the unit price, then we have the total. As you can see, like this product, this is the product that they sell, which is, we have the shoes, the bags, and the belt. The first one, the quantity, the person sold 3 quantity. Each unit price is 4,000. The other person sold 2, then price. The third one sold 4, and the unit price is 1,500. So they said, spot what? Why do we have errors here? Look at what we calculated. Why is there 0 here? Why is it that this one is showing us X value? Why? What is the reason? Let us know in the comment section if you know the answer. Can let us know in the comment section. Drop your message in the comment section. Let us know. I'm here to answer your questions on Excel. Challenge 2. Challenge 2. You can see the screen. Find the error. Find the error. Find the error, or let me say, why do we have errors here? Okay, you find the error. Why do we have errors here? Let me use that for people that are just joining. Why do we have errors here? Why do we have errors here? That is the second challenge. Why do we have errors here? Let us know in the comment section why we have errors here. Chichi, are you still with us? If you are with us, you can let us know if you know the answer. Why do you think that we have errors? If you are just joining this live, you are welcome. You are welcome to today's live. You're welcome. So you can follow up. You can see I dropped the task, the challenge we are doing. The first one, we looked for the total sales. The second one, now we want to spot the errors. Why do we have errors in this total? Look at what we want to find the errors. Look at it, the shoe. Look at the total here. The total is showing us error. The total, the first one is okay, but the second one, look at it, is showing us 0. Then the third one is showing us X value. Why do we have this? Why is it showing us error? Let us know in the comment section if you are with us. Let us know in the comment section if you are here with us. So if nobody answered, so let me tell you what it is. The first one, which is this one, the reason why we have error that is showing us 0 is because we didn't input the unit price. This is actually the formula we use. You can see equal to x equal to b3 times c3. That is this times this. The same formula we used for here, for this one, b4 times c4. Then this one too, b5 times c5. So it's the same formula we actually used, but it's giving us error sign. The reason is because for this first one, as you can see, there is no unit price. Let me say I input unit price of 3,000. Look at what will happen now. It has given us what? 6,000 naira. That is 2 times what? 3,000. So that is the reason why it's giving us what? The 0. Because what? There is no value in that place. We didn't input any amount there. So the other one, that is this one that is showing us the x value. The reason why it's showing us x value is because what? Look at this. If you are typing anything in Excel, 4 2 3, you type it what? You don't what? You don't spell it. You type it what? In what? In should I say in value, not in words. This is written in words. That is why it's showing us x value. But if we change this one to 4, look at it now. You can see it. It has come up, which is what? 6,000 naira. Let's say we change it to 5. You can see it, 7,500. So that is the reason why it was showing us what? Error. Because of what? Because those things were not inputted very well. So if you are doing anything in Excel, you have to be very careful and observant, because any error, anything you make, any error you make, it can what? It can lead to what? To wrong answer. It can make you not to get the answer that you want. It will make you not to get what? The exact answer that you want. That is why it's showing us that. So concerning this, if you have any question, drop your question in the comment section and let me know. Who is live where? Drop your question. You can drop your question as you are coming. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like. Click, just hit on the like button. Hit on the like button. As you are coming, please hit on the like button. You're welcome. You can hit on the like button. Type hi so that I will know that you are here with us. You can type hi and drop hi in the comment section. You can drop hi in the comment section. So please, as you are coming, like, please try to like so that other people that need this can see it and join too. Please don't forget to like and comment. Let me know in the comment section. Drop a message in the comment section so that I will know that, oh, someone is following me, so that I will know that I have people live here that are really with me and that are following up with what I'm teaching. Please, you can let me know in the comment section. If you are here, you can let me know in the comment section. So let's go to the next one. Nobody has question based on these two challenge that we have done. Okay, if nobody have question, let's go to the third challenge. Today is just like challenge. It's just like challenge. I just want to see what we have been learning for some time now. What have you learned from it? What do you have to say concerning it? You let me know in the comment section. This is not a teaching class. This today's own is not about teaching. It's just for you to like, I want to check what we have learned so far. Are we learning? Are we grabbing some things? So let me know in the comment section. So the third one, this is the third challenge. This is the third challenge. The third challenge said what? Is commission what? Formula. So this is what each salesperson sold. Then let's say the company decides to give each salesperson 10% commission. What formula should be used in this place? What formula are we going to use? What formula are we going to use? Someone should let me know in the comment section the formula you think that we can use for it. Let me know in the comment section. Commission. Okay, let me type it for people that are just joining. This is challenge. This is challenge 3. Challenge 3. Or should I say tax 3? Let's continue with challenge. Let's say challenge 3. Okay, this challenge 3. What is the formula for what? Let us know in the comment section the formula you think we can use. What is the formula that should be used for commission? Commission formula. Can let me know in the comment section. Let me type it. What is commission formula? We want to calculate this company. This is what the salespeople sold. So the company decided each salesman, the company decided to give each salesman commission of what? Of each person 10% commission. So now we want to know, we want to calculate the commission for each person. What formula do you think that we have? Let us know in the comment section. Sorry, let us know in the comment section. You can drop it in the comment section. Please, if you are just joining, type hi, like this video. Please click on the like button. Please click on the like button so that others can see it and join this live and benefit from it too. There are some people that need this tutorial. Please just hit on the like button as you are joining. Type hi in the comment section so that I can know that you are here. Type hi. So let us know, what do you think is the formula that we are going to be using? Let us know in the comment section. Is anybody here? Type hi. Type hi. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to this channel. Like and subscribe. Okay, if nobody, then so for this, what we are going to be using is what? They said what? Look at it. He said each sales person earns 10%, which means they are going to be getting 10% of what they sold. This is the sales that they made. What we are going to do is to say equal to this sales that was done times 10%. You put the percentage. That is just simple as ABC. You type enter. Look at it. For this person that sold 2,000 naira, which means the commission is going to be 200 naira. That is what the commission. So for you to, even though you have up to 100 people, look at it. Click on this place. Click on it. You click on this little arrow here. It will change to plus. You drag it down. That is autofill. You autofill for every other salesperson. You can see it. Or every other person has what? Has gotten it. Every other person has what? The calculation has been done for every other person. You don't need to be doing it one after the other. No. What you just need to do is to do what? You just autofill for others so that others too, it can what? You can what? Easily see the commission. Even though you have up to 100 people, you autofill for everybody. Once you have done, inputted the formula for one person, you autofill and it will be done for every other person. So this is how we get the commission. So if you are joining this live, please hit on the like button, hit on the like button, hit on the like button. Then you can type hi in the comment section so that I can know that people are really following this class. Type hi in the comment section so that I can know that you are following the class. Who is here with me? You can type hi. So we'll be going to the fourth one. But before we go there, we go to the fourth one. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Any question, drop it in the comment section. If you have question, drop in the comment section. Let me see. Excel lovers, drop your question in the comment section. I'm here to answer you. So if there is no question, Let's move to the other one, which is the fourth one. The fourth one. Chichi, are you there? So we have done for this. This is the fourth one. The fourth one, look at it. It said sales by region. We need total sales for each region. What will you use? What do you think you will use? The formula that you are going to use. What formula do you think we can use? Who is there? You can see the screen. We want to check sales by region. Let me drop the question. Let me drop it in the comment section. You can see it on the screen so that people that are just joining can see it on the screen. Challenge 4. Challenge 4. Formula. What formula should be used what formula should be used for sales by region? Sales by region. Sales by region. What formula should be used? I believe you can see it on the screen. Should I drop the options? Okay. A. Option A equal to sum. Open bracket. This open bracket means you input what you want to check, then you close the bracket. Then B, the formula equal to sum if you put what you want, open bracket, put what you want, then you close the bracket. Then C, C C equal to average open bracket, then you close the bracket. So let us know in the comment section. A is saying equal to sum. B is that we should use average. Then C is telling us to use what? A is telling us to use sum. B, the sum if. Then C, the average. Let us know in the comment section. What formula do you think we can use for it? What is the real formula to use? Let us know in the comment section. Life challenge. These are the things we have done so far. These are the things we have done so far. What formula do you think we should use? We want to check the sales by region. Let us know in the comment section the formula. These are the options A, B, and C. Let us know what formula do you think we should use. Excel lovers, Excel lovers, let us know in the comment section. I'm still waiting. You're welcome to today's live. Don't forget to hit on this like button, hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, if nobody, let me tell us what the answer is. Let's go to Excel. The fourth challenge says sales by region. We want to check the sales by region. Let's say, for example, the region we want to check the sales for is the East region. The right formula to use is SUMIF, because sum calculates the total. You will just tell it, give me the total of all the sales. That is what it can do. Then average, we sum up everything and divide it by the number of, let me say, this that we have the region. We have about 6 regions. If we divide it by the 6 regions, it will add up everything and divide it. You check the mean, the average of it. That is what it does. Then this sum if, it will check, like this region now, it will pick the region then that you ask it to check. It will now calculate what the total sales that was done for that region. That's so the correct answer here is what is B. B is the correct answer. B is correct. Correct. B is correct. So you can ask me in the comment section, why do I say that B is correct? You can ask me in the comment section. So let's do the calculation. Let's say what we want to check for, we want to check for East. We now say equal to sum, we say sum it. If you open bracket, the region, if the region, comma, is equal to East, East, sorry, I close it, say comma, calculate the sales. I click on where there is sales, I drag down. You can actually type it, but me, I like clicking. You drag down, you close the bracket, you type enter. It's telling us that it's 3,300. So let's check it. Look at the first East we have. It's 2,000 naira. Then do we have another East? Look at another East. Is 1,300. So if you add 2,000 plus 1,300, that is actually what? 3,300, which means what? We are right. Which means we are right. Look at it here. As you can see, 3,300 is the correct answer for it. So what we need to use is what? Is the sum. The sum if, sorry. We use the sum if to get it. So if you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment section. Ask your question in the comment section. So we have gotten the first one, which is the total, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So you can drop your question in the comment section. So who is here? Welcome. Is equal to sum b1 to b3. Okay. Yes, the formula, this that is for challenge one. For challenge one, the actual formula, Prince, you are welcome. Prince, you are welcome. I can see your comment. Yes, for the first challenge, the formula is actually equal to sum, but this one that we just did, which is by region, the correct formula to use is the sum if, because is asking us, what is asking us is if the region is east, for example, what will be the sum, the total amount that was sold. He said sales by region. We want to know the sales of each region, a particular region. We want to know the sales for it. For example, we want to check the sales for west. We say equal to if if here, that is the region, comma, we open, is west. If the region is west, we close it. We now say add up from here. That is, we are now adding up the sales that was done in west. We click enter. It's telling us 2,400. Look at west here. We have the first west here, which is 1,500. Then we have another one, which is 900. So if you add the two, you will see that is how much? That is this 2,400. So you can do same for, we have done for east, we have done for west. If you want to do for north, you can do the same thing you do for south too. So the actual formula to calculate sales by region, because this one is just like, is giving us what? Is giving us condition, like if the region is east, how much was sold. If the region is west, how much is the total amount that was sold. So the correct answer to use is the sum if. Thank you very much, Prince. I can see your comments. You're welcome. Don't forget to like, don't forget to hit on the like button. So let's go to the next one, which is the fifth one. Here is the fifth one. The fifth one, it said clean the mess. This is the fifth challenge that we are going to be looking at. Okay. So this is the fifth one. So someone in the comment section should tell us the correct formula that we can use. Let's say fix the name to proper case. For example, Uche. Uche should be like this. Capital letter. Look at Uche here. As you can see the name, Uche here is written in small letter throughout, but now it's telling us to do what? To change the small letter to capital letter, but to change the u to capital letter, that is proper case, then others should be small case, small letter. So how we going to do it without erasing this u and typing it back, but we use a formula? Who can let us know in the comment section? What is the actual formula to use? Let us know in the comment section. If you are just joining, you're welcome. Yeah, gifted family, you're welcome. Good afternoon, ma, or it's evening. Good evening, ma. Welcome. It's been long. Welcome, gifted family. I can see you. You're welcome. Zahid, you're welcome. Zahid, you're welcome. You are right. The answer is actually B. You're welcome. You're welcome. So let's continue. Look at this is the next one now. Let me type session for people that are just joining. Challenge 5. This challenge 5, we have about 3 questions that we'll be answering there. So the first one, challenge 5. Challenge 5. The first one there says what? It said, let's change proper case, fix names to proper case. Give us the formula. Formula to fix formula to fix names to proper case. Proper case. That is the next one. Formula to fix. Let me say this one is 5A, challenge 5A. Because we still other 5 in this challenge 5. You're welcome. If you are just joining, please don't forget to hit on the like button. Don't forget. Gifted families, are you still here? Gifted family, you're welcome. Prince, are you there? Zahid, Kamra, are you there? Kamran, you're welcome. This is the next one. Formula to fix names to proper case. As you can see, look at the names we have here. Our work is what is messed up. We have this name, Uche. It starts with small letter. It's small letter all through. So they ask us to change it to proper case. Then the next one is in capital letter all through. They are asked to change it to what? To proper case. We have another one, small letter all through. They are asked to change it to proper case. So who can tell us the formula that we are to use? Tell us the formula in the comment section. I'm waiting. If you know the answer, let us know in the comment section. If you are just joining us, please don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. You can subscribe. Hit the like button. You are welcome to today's live. I'm reading all the comments. Formula to fix the names to proper case. Let us know in the comment section. So who is there? Okay. So so for us to change it to proper case, you use equal to you say equal to proper Then you click on what you want to change it to. You click on enter. Look at it. Did you see the name? Uche. It has changed from UCH all through small letter. It has changed to the first one is capital letter. Let's autofill. Look at it. Same applies to other ones. Look at Godwin here. All through it was capital letter, but now it has changed to what? To what? This has changed to what? Proper case. Only the first one is capital letter. The rest are small letter. This is the power of Excel. You just give it that command and it does what you ask it to do. If you are following up in the comment section, please type hi. Just let me know that you are following in the comment section. You can hit the like button. Hit the like button. So this is how you can change it from small letter to capital letter. So do you know that you can still change it to capital letter? Let me say you want to change everything back to capital letter. You say equal to upper this Uche. Enter. Look at it. Everything has changed to capital letter. This is what this one has changed to capital letter. So this is it. This is how you do what? You change it to what? Proper case, or you change it to capital letter. This is how you do it. Using what? Using Excel. Give it that command. Just type that formula and everything will be done for you. That is it. That is the first one. So before we go to the next one, if you have any question concerning this one that we have just done, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are just joining, please don't forget to hit on the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. You are welcome. Welcome to today's Excel Challenge Live. You're welcome. We just want to know what we have done on Excel. What have we done? How have you been coping with Excel? Do you have any question concerning that? So we just want to know what you have actually learned from this Excel so far. You're welcome. So if you have any question concerning this, you can ask me in the comment section. If there is no question, does anybody have question? Please ask me in the comment section. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. You can ask me. I just want you people to know. I just want to know that people are actually following. Prince, are you there? Chichi, Gifted Family, Zahid, are you there? You all are welcome. So let's go to the next one. The next one is what? Remove space. Let's say we have space here. Let me say I have a lot of space here. Uche John. So I want to remove the excess space. What formula do you think we are going to use? What do you think we are going to use to get it done? Okay, challenge 5B. Formula. What is the formula to remove space? Sorry. What is the formula to remove space? If you are just joining, please don't forget to hit on the like button. Don't forget to hit on the like button. You're welcome. Welcome. Please hit on the like button. So, what is the formula you think we should use for it? If you know the answer, please let me know in the comment section. Is anyone there? Do you know the formula? Who knows the formula? Who knows the formula? Okay, if no one, so the formula for us to use is called the trim. Equal to trim, open brackets, this, enter. Look at it. If you check very well, you can see that after this done, look at the space that is there. There were about 3 spaces there, but it have now reduced it and put it normal, in the sense that we have only one word, only one space that is there. That is what we use. What, look at the formula we use, equal to trim. It trims it to the normal way it ought to be. Trim equal to trim, then the text that you want to trim, then it will help you to do it. That is the what function. So the answer here is what is trim. We use trim. That is the answer. So if you are following, please hit the like button. Let me know that you are following in the comment section. Just let me know that you are following in the comment section. So that is the function of what? Of trim. So the answer for us to remove space, if there is anything you have written, the space is much, you don't want to put up to that space, but maybe mistakenly you did that. So what the best thing you have to do is to use this trim. It will align everything for you and clean the mess for you. That is the formula, the power of Excel. Who has any question concerning what we have learned so far? Please let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so we have another one. Format currency for sales. Format currency for sales. Challenge 5C. 5C. Format formula. Format currency, sorry. For sales. Format currency for sales. Who knows this? Who knows how to? If you know how to do this in Excel, which means you are good in Excel, which means you have really learned a lot in Excel. If you know how to do it, please let me know in the comment section. If you know that you can format the currency for sales, like people in Nigeria, if you can change the currency to Naira, and people that is not in Nigeria, maybe in US, in you, if you can change it to dollar sign, let look at it. This is the sales that we have. Look at it here. We have 2000, 1532. We have 2750, 1500. So these are the sales that we have. If you can change this to the currency you are using in your country, let me know in the comment section. Just tell me yes, I can do it. If you can do that, let me know in the comment section. Just say yes or no. Let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting. Hello, who is there? Let me know in the comment section if you can do that. If you can do that, let me know in the comment section. If you are just joining, please don't forget to hit on the like button. Hit on the like button. You can subscribe if you are just, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like this live so that other people that need this Excel tutorial, Excel class or challenge, anything we can call it, so that they can see this and join. Please hit on the like button. Hit on the like button. Can you do this? If you can do it, let me know in the comment section. Just tell me yes, I can do it. If you can't, just let me know in the comment section too. I think this is the last one that we'll be doing for today. Then we just do a recap and then we round up. So I think this is the time you need to ask your questions. Ask your questions. Are you there, gifted family? Chichi, are you still there? Zahed, Zahid, did I get it right? Zahid, Kamran, Kamran, Zahid, Kamran, are you there? Prince, are you there? So let me know, can you do this? So let's go straight and do it. Let me show you how you can do it. What you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to select what you want to change to your. You select all. Select what you are doing, what you want to change to that currency. Select it first, just the way I've selected it. If you are there with your Excel, if you are there, if you are on this line, then you have your system with you. Please just grab the system. Practice makes perfect. As I'm doing it, practicalize it on your own. Then if there is any error, let me know. Please let's do that. Let's do this and see how it's going to come out. You select it. Once you have selected it, look at this place that there is number. I don't know if you can see my arrow here. Look at it here. You click on this place that there is number on the ribbon. You click on currency. You click on currency. Once you click on currency, you will see symbols. Can you see my screen very well? You see currencies. Look at it here. These are different currency. These are different currency. Look at it here. Can you see it very well? Let me drop it here so that you can see. Hope you are seeing it. These are different currencies. So depending on your country, you can see different currency. Even for Bitcoin is here. Look at it. We have the dollar sign. Sorry, my dear. So you can see the dollar sign. You can see the naira sign. You can see the dollar sign, the naira sign. So if we want to do this, we want to put it in dollar, then we come here, we look for the dollar sign. Okay, like this one now is already look at dollar sign here. We select dollar, we click OK. Look at it, is now in dollar. Then for people that are not in Nigeria, that is not in US or UK, people that are not using, let me say people that are not using dollar, For Nigerians, let me say you are using naira. So what you need to do is what? Look for it. Look for naira sign. You can see euro sign, you can see euro sign, you can see different kind of currency. All their signs are here. Just look for the one that you need. Like now, I need for what? Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, so let me say I need naira sign. I click on it. I click enter. Look at it. It has changed to what? To naira. It has changed to naira sign. That is how you can change your currency to what? To naira. This is it. You change it to naira sign or you change it to dollar sign depending on where you are. This is how you can change it. Hope you understand this part. That is how you can change it to dollar sign or to naira sign. As you can see it, I've already done that. So that is it. Let's just do a quick recap for people that joined us that didn't join on time. Let's do a quick recap. The first one we did, the sheet one, the first challenge we did for total. So we checked, look at the question here. We wanted to check, it says what formula gives total sales? The formula we use for the count, we have the sum, we have the average. So actually the correct answer is what? Is the sum, because you just say equal to sum. Yes, sorry my dear, equal to sum. You click on it, then you select to the ending. It will give you, look at it, it has given you the sum. So the correct answer is B. Then for the second one, what we needed to do is what? We spotted the errors that was there. Here, let me show you how this was when we started. It was like this. Look at it. For people that just joined, this is how it was. So we are asked to spot the errors. So why is this one showing 0 and this is showing us X value? Then if you check the formula, it's the same formula that was inputted for all of them. So we checked it. So we discovered that what the reason why this is showing us 0 is because can anybody guess the reason? For people that joined late, can you guess the reason why it's not showing us 0? Can you? If you can, please let us know in the comment section. But let's continue. But because this is just a quick recap, we have actually done these things before now. So the reason why it's 0 is because here we didn't input the unit price. So we inputted the unit price, which is 3,000 naira. Then it gave us 6,000 naira. Then here we have what? 4. This is typed in words and not in value. Instead of typing it in number, it was typed in value. That is why. But if we change it to 4, look at it, it will give us the amount. We change it to 5, look at it, everything will be corrected. So when dealing with Excel, look at what you are typing. Be careful with your work. Don't be in a haste when you are working with Excel. Take your time and do that. So that is why it was showing us the error sign. Then the next one here is the commission. We wanted to check, he said check each sales person's earn 10% commission. We are asked to look for the commission. Then how did we go about it? We just say equal to, for the formula, equal on the amount that the person sold times 10%. 10%. Then you click on enter. So that is how we got this 200, this and that. You drag down autofill. Even though it's 100 people, just autofill. It will calculate for everybody. How are you? Where is my ticket? I come and check. So that is how we got that, as you can see it. Then we have the fourth one, which is by region. We want to calculate the sales by region. So we use the count if. We use the count if. So now we say equal to, sorry, for this one we use this. Look at the options there. We have the sum if, and the average. So we are asked to check the sales by region. We use the sum if. We say equal to, let's say what we are checking for is east. That is what we actually checked for here. So we checked for east. Let's say equal to sum if region, the region, I select all the region, comma, is east. I close it, comma, you should sum the amount, the sales that was done, enter. So that is how we got this 3,300. You can see it, it's simple. That is how you calculate for it. So any region you want to check, you just tell it on. Look at the formula that we used here. Sum if this A3 to A8, if A3 to A8, which is region, is east, then give us the sum, the total amount that was done. So now what it does is it picks for east the 1,000 naira, the first east, and the second east is what 1,300. If you add up 2,000 plus 1,300, that is 3,300. That is how we got this 3,300. So look at the correct answer. The B is the correct answer. So the last one, that is the one that we just did, where we changed the small letter. First of all, it say we should change it to proper case. Look at it. It was in small letter, then we change it to proper case. So the formula we equal to proper equal to proper. Then we select what we want to change to proper case. Let's say this is what we want to change to proper case. You can see the blessing. It has changed back to what? The first one is now what? In what? In small. The first letter is capital letter now. The rest are small letter. Unlike this one, that everything was in small letter. Then the next, you can still change it to capital letter if you like. You change everything to capital letter. Blessing. You click enter. So this is it. So we did another one, which is to remove space. Look at this one. Look at excess space is here. Look at it. Let me say this is how it is. Look at the space that is there. Then now we want to make it to look normal. To look normal, we just say equal to trim. You say remove space. For us to remove space, we say equal to trim, open bracket, this, enter. Look at it. There is no much space again. It has removed all the excess space. It has removed all the excess space. Then the next one we did was to do what? To change what? The is for us to do what? We did what? We format, you say what? Format currency for sales. This sales was not having any currency, so we changed it. Let's change this back to dollar. We select it, you click on this number, then you click on where you have currency category, you select currency, symbols, you look for country you are, you select the symbol, which is the currency sign, you click on OK. So it has changed back to dollar sign. So this is it. This is how you do what? You get the currency, what? You format your currency. So that is all for today. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section so that I can answer your question. People that are just joining, you are welcome. You are welcome. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you are just joining, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Click on like this live, click on the like. Please, you can click on like. You can like this live as you are joining live. So thank you everyone. Thank you for the time. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the time. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate. So don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be seeing our videos every time, anytime we post new videos so that you can see it. Thank you very much. So now we want to end this live. Thank you very much. You can ask your question. You can ask your question, or later you can decide to come back and watch this video. If you are finding anyone difficult, you can go back. I will save this. I will make it public. So for anyone that wants to cross check or check anything that we have learned today, or if you see any of the video I post, you can I reply all comments. I reply all comments. Thank you very much. So bye. Ask your question. You can drop your question. Can drop your question in the comment box. Can drop your question. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining this live. Bye. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Gifted family, are you still there? Zehad, are you still there? Chichi, thank you all. Prince, bye. See you guys next time.